Ram trucks are known for their rugged capability and impressive performance, but the interior can sometimes feel a bit basic. Fortunately, there are plenty of aftermarket options to elevate the cabin and make your Ram truck truly your own. From luxurious leather seats to high-tech infotainment systems, the possibilities for customization are endless. Whether you're looking to boost comfort, convenience, or style, investing in the right interior upgrades can transform your Ram into a premium, personalized driving experience. With the right modifications, you can create an interior that perfectly matches your unique tastes and needs. At number 5 is the R RUIYA 12-inch screen protector. The R RUIYA 12-inch screen protector is a highly recommended accessory for owners of 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks. Crafted from imported glass material, this screen protector employs advanced nanotechnology and precision laser cutting to ensure a perfect fit for your Uconnect touchscreen display. One of its standout features is the 9H hardness rating, which provides exceptional protection against scratches and minor impacts. This durability is further enhanced by an advanced nano coating that resists fingerprints, is oleophobic, and waterproof, keeping your screen clean and clear. The ultra-thin design, measuring just 0.26 millimeters, ensures that the touch sensitivity of the original screen is maintained, offering a seamless user experience. The HD transparency of the glass restores the screen's original color, providing a vivid and clear display. The 2.5D arc edge technology not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also reduces the likelihood of the screen breaking, adding to the overall durability. Additionally, the automatic adsorption feature simplifies the installation process, allowing for a bubble-free application. User feedback highlights the screen protector's perfect fit and ease of installation. Many appreciate how it enhances the aesthetic appeal of their truck's interior while ensuring the screen remains pristine and responsive. However, some users noted minor challenges with alignment during installation, suggesting careful placement for optimal results. At number 4 is the PIMCAR Center Console Organizer. The PIMCAR Center Console Organizer upgrade is a highly practical accessory designed for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models from 2019 to 2025. This organizer is crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring durability and strength. The interior features a non-slip flocking material that prevents items from moving around, even during bumpy rides. One of the standout features of this organizer is its precise fitment. It is designed to fit perfectly in the full center console and bucket seats of various Ram cab configurations, including standard, quad, crew, and mega cabs. However, it is important to note that it is not compatible with the 40/20/40 split bench seat. The organizer effectively divides the center console into multiple compartments, making it easier to keep items organized. The dividers are strategically placed to almost touch the top of the console cover, ensuring that items remain in place and do not shift around. This design maximizes the storage space and keeps the armrest storage in a more organized shape. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools or adhesives. The organizer can be easily inserted and removed within seconds, making it convenient for users who may need to adjust or clean the console frequently. Additionally, the design includes a reserved charging port, allowing for easy access to charging cables without compromising organization. User reviews highlight the product's perfect fit and ease of installation. Many users appreciate the added organization and the high-quality materials used. However, some users noted that the flocking material, while effective, could benefit from additional non-slip features to further enhance stability. At number 3 is the OEDRO floor mats for Dodge Ram 1500. The OEDRO floor mats for 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab are a top-tier choice for truck owners seeking durable, all-weather protection for their vehicle's interior. These mats are specifically designed for the new body models, ensuring a precise fit through advanced 3D laser scanning technology. This custom fit hugs the contours of your vehicle's interior, providing comprehensive coverage that keeps your floors pristine. Constructed from high-density TP material, these mats offer superior durability and temperature resistance, outperforming traditional PVC options by 300%. The TPE composition is non-toxic, odorless, and environmentally friendly, making it a safe choice for all users. The mats feature deep channels and raised edges, effectively trapping liquids, mud, and debris, ensuring your vehicle's carpet remains clean and dry in all weather conditions. One of the standout features of the OEDRO floor mats is their ease of installation and maintenance. They come with built-in clips that securely hold the mats in place, preventing any shifting or interference with the pedals. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse, vacuum, or wash with soapy water to maintain their pristine appearance. Customer feedback highlights the mat's perfect fit, excellent coverage, and overall quality. Users appreciate the value for money, noting that the mats hold up well over time and are easy to clean. However, opinions on the thickness of the mats are mixed. Some users prefer a thicker mat for added cushioning, while others find the current thickness sufficient for protection and durability. The package includes 2 front floor mats and 1 rear floor liner, making it easy to replace old mats with this comprehensive set. At number 2 is the 8 Sanlione 20 pieces car air conditioner decoration strip. The 20 pieces car air conditioner decoration strip for vent outlet offers a stylish and practical solution for enhancing the interior aesthetics of your vehicle. Made from high-quality PVC material, these strips are designed to be bendable, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. The soft material also prevents any potential scratches to your car's interior during installation. Customers appreciate the value, ease of cutting, and straightforward installation process. The strips are easy to work with and can be cut to the desired length using scissors. Installation involves simply cleaning the air vent outlet, measuring and cutting the strips to fit, and snapping them onto the vent outlet. This user-friendly process makes it accessible for anyone to install without needing additional tools or adhesives. The strips are designed to fit straight air vent outlets, measuring 7.68 inches in length. However, they are not suitable for arc, curve, or round vent types, so it is crucial to ensure compatibility with your vehicle's air vents before purchasing. This limitation has led to mixed opinions on fit, with some users experiencing difficulty in achieving a perfect fit for non-straight vents. In terms of aesthetics, these decoration strips add a vibrant and colorful touch to the car's interior, making it look more lively and personalized. The package includes 20 pieces, allowing you to share with friends or family or use them across multiple vehicles. While the product is generally well received, there are mixed reviews regarding its quality and stability. Some users have noted that the strips may not stay in place over time and may require additional adhesive for a more permanent fixture. At number 1 is the LUCKYMAN Club D02 ZGJ Ram seat covers. When it comes to protecting and enhancing the interior of your Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500 truck, the LUCKYMAN Club D02 ZGJ seat covers are a top-notch choice. Customers rave about the exceptional quality, style, and functionality of these seat covers, making them a must-have accessory for any Ram owner. One of the standout features of these seat covers is their excellent compatibility. Designed specifically for the 2011 to 2024 Ram models, they seamlessly integrate with all the truck's features, including airbags, cup holders, and even heated seats. The seatbelt buckles remain fully exposed, ensuring easy access and use. The high-quality faux leather material used in these seat covers is both durable and comfortable. The thick sponge padding provides a plush, luxurious feel that customers describe as almost indistinguishable from real leather. The non-slip cloth bottom keeps the covers firmly in place, even when getting in and out of the vehicle. One of the most impressive aspects of the LUCKYMAN Club seat covers is their ease of maintenance. They are waterproof and resistant to spills, dirt, and even dog hair and claws. Customers with active lifestyles or furry companions appreciate how simple it is to clean these covers, ensuring their truck's interior stays looking its best. The tailored design for the 60/40 split bench found in many Ram trucks is another standout feature. The rear bench can be folded up as usual without any issues, and the covers won't become undone or fall apart when someone sits on them. Installation is reported to be straightforward, with clear instructions and a helpful installation video. While some customers have noted minor fit issues, the overall consensus is that these seat covers are well worth the investment, providing a high-end look and feel at a reasonable price.